we are going to discuss. Now, in the term goods, when I say, it is different in accounts, different in economics. I am not going to discuss the term goods for accounts now, because it will be dealt with at the accounts lecture. Now we are dealing with goods in accounts. So सबसे पहले let us understand what is meant by goods. Did you have economics in your school? Anybody? Anybody had?
No, sir.
Okay. So anybody wants to guess what is goods? कोई guess, कोई answer attempt करना चाहता है? Anybody wants to try? Okay. Now I'll get started. Now please note, for a trader, दुकानदार के लिए गुड्स क्या है? इन विच ही ट्रेड्स इन. जैसे किराना शॉप के लिए किराना गुड्स है, सब्जी वाले के लिए सब्जी गुड्स है. Now that goods is relevant for accounts, but in economics the definition of goods goes this way: anything that satisfies human wants is regarded as goods in economics. So what is goods in economics? Anything that satisfies human wants is called goods in economics. Let us take at least 5 examples. The first example. Now, you want to see this lecture online in your cell phone. Are you able to see the lecture live or online now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So does your mobile satisfy your want of wanting to see the lecture live?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
yes,
yes.
mobile is goods, right? Now you are very hungry, you go to McDonald's. Does McDonald's have the capacity to satisfy your want? Yes or no? Does the burger, sorry, not McDonald's, does the burger have the capacity to satisfy your want? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then that burger is goods, right? Now, one question. Take a deep breath. Okay. Does air satisfy your want of life?
yes, sir.
Now, can you define or can you say goods? Air is a goods in economics? First guy?
Yes.
Yes. Sometimes people say, how can air be goods? Yes, air is goods in economics. Of course, it is free goods. We'll come to that. थोड़ी देर में. Air is also goods in economics because it satisfies human wants of life. अकाउंट्स में एयर का कोई संबंध ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो धंधे में हवा, ऑफ कोर्स ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है, बट नॉर्मल एयर, द ब्रीदेबल एयर, करेक्ट? सो एनीथिंग दैट satisfies human wants is called goods in economics. Now coming to, I'll give you one example. So this is the example of McDonald's. In some future lectures, I'll give you the history of McDonald's completely, how it was made and stuff like that. To start with, let us come to this. This is a French fry, I think king size French fries. This is a burger and this is a Coke. Is this goods? My question to you is that, is this goods in economics?
Yes.
Okay, because it satisfies your want of satiating your hunger, right? It is goods, accepted. Now you go to McDonald's, they say that the burger is 3 days old. It has flies flying all over it. Now tell me, is this stale burger goods? क्या ये बर्गर जो पुराना है, will you eat it? Yes or no?
No.
So therefore, because it cannot satisfy human want, it is not goods. फर्क समझा दोनों में? Because it can satisfy your want, यहाँ पे you will not eat it, therefore this is not goods. Let us take one more example. The lady breathing in free air, is that goods?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because it satisfies her want of life. So air is also goods in economics. Now, for an illiterate person, he cannot understand he cannot read what is written in the book. Is the book goods for this person? Yes or no?
No.
No, because it doesn't satisfy his want, he cannot understand anything. But for you, the books that you read, the register you write, they have a purpose. One is for studying, one is for writing. And since you are literate, once you read the book, that is good because it satisfies your want of knowledge. Fifth example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you have a vehicle, you stay at the house. Now, let us presume the offline lectures have started. You are going to the class, you are coming to the class. Is this vehicle goods? Is this vehicle goods?
Yes.
Is the automobile goods? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because it satisfies your want of transportation, correct? And last, is this goods? Sorry for those who are pure vegetarians, this photo came up. He wants to eat non-veg, but I don't know, chicken hoga shayad. So he eats this. Is that goods for him? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it goods? Yes or no? Please answer.
Yes.
But for a vegetarian, it will not be goods because he will never eat it, right? Now, I hope you understand goods. Anything which satisfies your want, be it air, sunshine, rainwater, all these are goods in economics, not in accounts, but in economics because they have the capacity to satisfy human wants. Correct? Please like the video, subscribe to our channel. Please comment if you want any specific videos or if you have got any suggestions to offer. Please share it with your friends who can also derive knowledge from this video. Thank you.